Hello everybody. Sitting here doing some minor repairs on this Spitfire. It's a 1/48 scale Tamiya kit. In my opinion, it's one of the best kits ever made by Tamiya. Goes together awesome. But anyway, like I said, doing some minor repairs on it, and I figured that I would go ahead and add the antenna wire. Goes from a point on the tail up to this antenna here, and I'm going to do that with this Easy Line. If you guys are looking to use this to use something to simulate the antenna wire on a World War II aircraft, this stuff is fantastic. It's stretchy. Here's the line here. Super stretchy, super resilient, super easy to work with, and it's about the right thickness for a 1/48 scale for models. So I believe it does come in different thickness, but this is the fine line here. So, and the color in this one is black, of course. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, let me cover tools first real quick. So for this process, you will need an X-Acto knife, some tweezers, and brush-on super glue. Your regular model glue, like Tamiya or Testors or anything like that, will not work for this process. So this here is what you need. And the way you begin this process is you figure out about how long your line will need to be. And you want it to be stretched out somewhat, otherwise it will sag. So, got my end here, so end to end there. You want to go a little bit longer than what you need, so that way you can, stretch it out. So, about there, just lay it on the cutting mat here. Take the X-Acto knife and cut the line that I need, and then just go ahead and I will set the spool aside. Next step in the process is you have to take your points. You want to take your brush-on super glue. You don't need much of this stuff. And you just brush on a little dab on the point you're going to attach to. So in this case, it's this little point that sticks off the tail. Just like so. And then you take your tweezers, and you take your line and hold it in the tweezers, and you hold it on there for roughly 10 seconds. And it'll bond. You can let it go. And as you will see, this stuff is attached, although it doesn't look like it. Trust me, it is, and it's not going anywhere. So, if I can get a hold of it with my fingers, there we go. See? Not going anywhere, guys. I'm pulling on it fairly good. I mean, obviously you don't want to pull on it real hard, but and then take your super glue again. I'll apply it to the top of the antenna here. Now for the second step, you can use the tweezers or you can just use your fingers. It's up to you. I just normally use my fingers just so I can kind of get the stretch that I need. And then I'll just kind of go ahead and set it on top of the antenna like that. Hold it for a few seconds. Didn't attach. Maybe I didn't have it in the right spot. Let's try that spot there. And that is attached. So here you have it. There's the line. She's on there. Doesn't really appear to be going anywhere. Like I said, you can see me pushing on the line, and then for the excess, so you got this excess line hanging off the end here. I'll just take my X-Acto knife and cut that line. Oh, it came undone. Alright, so let's try this application process again. So apply more stuff to the top here. Maybe it was dry and I didn't quite get it on there. Apply another bead of super glue to the top there. And let's just try this again. There we go. Oh, huh. Alright then, I guess this is going to make me look like I don't know what I'm doing, but I swear to you I do know what I'm doing, because I've done this before, so try this again. Alright. Did I get it that time? No, I did not. Huh. Alright. Well, there is... I do not know what's going on here, folks. Alright. I swear to you, I am putting super glue on there. So, I do not know what the problem is, but we're gonna figure it out. Sometimes with model building, all it takes is a little bit of patience and persistence, and just not giving up on the process. So, I don't know what I did wrong or anything like that, so maybe I just didn't wait long enough before I let it go. Alright. Did it bond? Hey, look at that. I think it actually bonded that time, guys. Yep, it did. Okay. There. I don't know. Sometimes this stuff doesn't want to work, but it is, like I said, it is easy to work with. And there you go. I'll just cut off the excess, and it's on. And then it just gives you one more element of realism for your models. So that's all I got for this video. Ended up being a little longer than what I was anticipating, but there you have it. So I will go ahead and, oh, and then I just want to say too, I always forget to say this in my videos, but if you guys could take a few moments to like and share my videos, and then hit the notification button so you guys are notified when I'm uploading new stuff, that would be awesome. So I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to see something, you know, in particular, or something new or different, or some technique demonstrated, or whatever the case may be, let me know, and I will do my best as always to try and accommodate. Alright guys? So with that, I will go ahead and sign off. Happy modeling.